Good evening and welcome to the Recharging Chat. I am Sharon Kimberly Cravens here with Dr. Luann Morano.
Hello, thank you for coming.
And it is October 25th, 2023. Tonight we are going to discuss phase one of the CellCore comprehensive protocol. Before we get started, our disclaimer is that our videos here are meant to inform you, educate you, entertain you, maybe even. We're not diagnosing, treating, curing any one situation, individual, any person, anything. We're here to educate and inform. So we will start off with phase one. And tonight we're going to discuss what is in phase one, what it's good for with the body, why do you start out with it, and how does it help you prepare to shed and detoxify your body. So we'll start out with the fact that this foundational phase is allowing your body to clear out those pathogens and parasites, toxins, things that your body has accumulated over your entire life. And that, most importantly, it opens up your drainage funnel. What is your body's drainage funnel? Well, this is a beautiful picture of it. We have your cells at the very top, then the organs and your tissues, down to your lymphatic system, your liver and your bile ducts, and your colon. Drainage begins in your bowels, in your colon, and it goes all the way up to that cellular level, draining out the tiniest and smallest structures in your body. If your bowel is not open and your kidneys aren't open, you will not be able to remove waste properly from your body. So this is a perfect visual to show what's going on as far as everything that's coming in. Where does it travel to, and how do things get out? You can tell the difference between this side, things are coming in nice and smoothly and traveling through. Over here, we're getting a little bit jammed up. We have some overflow, and then there's an emergency hatch that can open when we are toxic, and things can be expressed in our lungs, in our kidneys, and in our skin, rashes and things like that. So what's beautiful about CellCore's phase one is that this drainage funnel is targeted with the products specifically to get things moving. And what is in phase one, you're asking? Well, we're going to show you right now. We have some beautiful products that target that drainage funnel. And we start off with KL support. That is kidney and liver support. That is for drainage, for your immune system, supporting those two areas. Next, we have the BCATP, and that is targeting your mitochondria, your powerhouses of your cells. Also, it's to help you detoxify and supporting you in the detoxification process. Then we have the beautiful biotoxin binder. That is assisting your microbiome and helping you with detoxification. And lastly, we have CT minerals. That provides your body with energy and helps with detoxification again. So with those four items, Dr. Lou is going to go over what is in them and how they help your body. And then we'll touch on dosing and how you take the products to suit your phase one experience best.
Okay, so what's included in phase one? The first thing you're going to notice is you're going to have a bottle of CT minerals. And the CT minerals, what this is going to give you is going to give your bodies the daily micronutrient needs and optimal cognitive function for your energy production, your immune function, your nervous system support, and it's also going to enhance your well-being all the way around. It's got 2 forms of magnesium in it, and it's got trace minerals that are derived from fulvic acid. Now, you got to remember that with CellCore, as we talked about in a video that we made on the CT minerals, is that these are highly charged. They're loaded up with carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. These are high vibrating frequencies that are put into these products that you're taking. So you're going to notice when you open this bottle of CT minerals that There's 60 in this bottle, and you're going to take it through this phase and into the next phase. The next thing we're going to look at is the BCATP. Again, highly charged organic acids that are going to help you with your metabolism and the ATP cycle, which, if you remember, ATP, energy production, this is going to support your body's detoxification process. It's going to give your body the energy that it needs to be able to detoxify. And it's also going to help to contribute to balancing the gut and your microbiome. So the BCATP is very well tolerated by sensitive individuals, and it helps to, as you're going through, it helps to get you through the protocols, because it's going to give you the energy that you're going to need to get through a lot of these detoxification processes. The next thing is the biotoxin binder. So CellCore's go-to starter binder is biotoxin. And this is going to help detoxify and grab onto things and pull them out of your body. It's going to really help support the gut, your microbiome, and it's going to help optimize your digestive function and your immune health. Then we have KL support, kidney liver support. So these herbs and nutrients really help to support your kidney and liver throughout this whole protocol. So we have things in here, beetroot and marshmallow root and milk thistle, knack. All of these things are really going to help to make the cleansing process and in the filtering systems in your body highly functioning. As we know that the liver and the kidneys play a huge role in drainage and detoxification. So we're going to support them all that we could. And starting off with this at the beginning is all focused right on opening your drainage pathways so you can start pulling out everything that we need to detoxify you. The way that we do this is you'll have your card, and you'll see the first thing on the card is CT minerals. You'll take one of these in the morning before breakfast. The next one you'll see is BCATP. You'll take 2 pills, 2 before breakfast, 2 before dinner. And then the biotoxin binder, again, this is 2 pills, 2 before breakfast, 2 before dinner. And then your KL support, 2 before breakfast, 2 before dinner. Easy enough. Now, if you're sensitive and you want to start off slow, what we suggest is you start off with your CT minerals first. Take that for a couple of days, even a week if you like, and then move on to your BCATP. You can even start your BCATP at a half a dose, doing 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening. And then moving on to your biotoxin binder, adding that in a couple of days later. If you want to cut the dose in half, 1 and 1, and then doing that for a couple of days, and then you'll move into the KL support. Again, if you're sensitive, 1 and 1. After a couple of days on these products, you will be able to move up to the full dosage that we discussed that is here on this card. If you have any questions about this, please contact us.
And I have a question. What about people who don't want to take the capsules themselves? They would like to open them up. Is that something that they can do?
Yes, you can open all of these and pop them in some water. Just get a little shot glass, pour your distilled water in there, and then mix it up and drink it down. We actually suggest sometimes drinking the biotoxin binder, as it can absorb in things going all the way down the alimentary canal, starting in the mouth, through the esophagus, into the stomach. And the BCATP and the minerals, some people like to take those two, mix them together in about an ounce of distilled water, mix them up. And what that does is it tastes like a kind of like a sweet and sour candy, or a sweet tart. And what that does is it gets into your digestive tract faster, and the uptake into the body's faster. A lot of people like doing that in the morning. The other thing they like to do is take 4 BCATP first thing in the morning, because this is going to really stimulate the brain pathways, give your brain a lot of energy ATP so you can think more clearly and reduce a little bit of that brain fog that people might have. So those
Super.
are different options that we offer.
Very good. So these phase one products deliver key nutrients which support your mitochondria health, and they establish that healthy drainage pathway that's essential before you enter into a period of detoxification. This also helps minimize any kinds of reactions that you may experience. And this phase one encourages sustained energy as you move throughout the rest of the protocol. So we're excited that you're here with us and that you're involved in your phase one. And thank you so much for being here tonight. And we wish you the best of luck moving forward. If you have any questions, reach out to us and be well on your journey.